Hello and welcome to part two of chapter 8, Basic Computing. And immediately we go to a very interesting chapter, a chapter that perhaps you will relate to in different terms, but this is called instant messaging or apps and messenger service. Well, instant messaging is a buzzword today, but this has been long time. We started with pager when small messages would come on pager, and today we are chatting on a chat window. Chat window started, remember the name Orkut? It was the first social media platform. However, before that there were many other platforms, but chat windows earlier were very popular with say Gchats. So you would already have an inbuilt chat in Gmail. Today WhatsApp has taken over most of the chats, but today even WhatsApp is redundant with Insta chats and all the new services, Facebook Messenger. Today this is the new world that we're living in. So quickly remembering some names: Skype was a popular messenger, Facebook messengers, there is WhatsApp that we're talking about. So let's take up a message that you may not even identify called Skype. Skype was launched in 2003. I don't know how many of you were born in 2003, but that's the year it was launched. It was the Zoom of its time. Suddenly entire communication, especially across countries, it was very expensive. Sky's video conferencing became a popularity. It was across all the platform, Windows, Linux. It was still not mobile based. It was very much a Chrome or a browser based system. What you have to do for Skype, create a username, a Skype name, and in the Skype directory, someone else should have the similar, Skype downloaded, and then you can start messaging, creating personal profiles, everything you do today. There were also some emoticons, not so many, but we had some smiley emoticons we got. So this is how a Skype looks like. So you see the word Skype, the logos out here. It's very interesting. You can see each other. You can, families would be there. It is a good program, and most of the time there will be a lot of people, family, friends. Everything about the system remains the same, but this was the earliest. Now today, as I talk in 2024, it is almost 20 years old Skype interface. Mostly it was also used by teachers, language learning, a great tool. Everything that a language app would do, Skype would do that, as in everything a messenger would do. Facebook revolutionized. Think of it. Think how popular was Skype, because FB only launched in 2011. Now we're talking about almost a decade later. The messenger, which is even used today by most of us as teachers, but again, now you can send messages, exchange pictures, audio, video files, and documents also. This itself has access to now multiple accounts and even playing games. So that's the Facebook Messenger. Probably you have to write a common word across it. Facebook, interestingly, launched something in 2017 called the Messenger Kids. It did not it did not require Facebook account, but parents could download from their account and the kids will start talking. As expected, it did not work well. It failed because you kids don't want to be in. You went on Instagram. Facebook bought Instagram after that. Even today, the most popular messaging services, which was taken over by Facebook in Feb 2012, which is interesting, right? Facebook knew the potential of it, is WhatsApp, right? What's all about it? An app there can be downloaded, installed in any mobile. There's a web browser version to it, and you know everything that you require, perhaps, about WhatsApp. WhatsApp has evolved. You see, you can see the chats of people, so they're all the chats out there. The last seen status has become very popular. The double tick status, you want people to see that you're online or not online. Today the DPs, you put your statuses, you put your DP, you put a profile picture. WhatsApp has its own payment system. These are huge additionals. And we are talking about WhatsApp web app also was 2015. It must have come much late in India, but everything that today, WhatsApp, you can do group calls, you have groups, you have admin control, and every time WhatsApp is learning. So today an admin can delete a message. I remember earlier as an admin, it was a challenge when somebody would just, post something and you request them to delete it. Today you have a deletable version also. Also great things. Just scan this QR code and WhatsApp will be on your screen, on your chats. So many features. You know most of the features, but remember how to write it. A 5-mark question or 10-mark question, sorry, 6-mark question. You'll remember what you do. WhatsApp also has family groups, messages. You can even now send message to yourself, which is not possible. And now you don't have to save a number to send a WhatsApp. Very importantly, right? You can always send a WhatsApp without saving the number. That's a feature. That's all. These are only two apps we talk about. They don't even want to talk about Instagram or Discord or Clubhouse, but these are the apps we look at. Instant messaging can be used only in textual form? Absolutely wrong. No, we can use videos, we can use, GIFs, emojis, memes today. So a lot of things. Skype was launched by Microsoft? No. No, interesting. Yes, isn't it? WhatsApp can be used only through mobile phone. Of course, false again. There's a web browser. So all three are false. Windows Live Messenger was also known as MSN Messenger. Yes. This was the Microsoft one. Windows Live Messenger was an MSN Messenger. Dash is a messenger service by Facebook. Of course, Facebook Messenger. The web version is called WhatsApp Web. And the logos you can immediately look at it. This is WhatsApp, this is Skype, and this is Facebook Messenger. These are the things you've learned. A very short, very interesting one. Hopefully, you would have quickly grasped it. And now you know what we're talking about. We learned the difference between email and instant messenger. You talked about any email service provider. Yes, it is Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, Zoom Mail, Zoho Mail, so many of them. This is usually not very popular answer that you would like to give, but this is how a question will be asked. How is it different from Yahoo service provider? So basically, Gmail, you have to log in only with a Gmail account, and Yahoo is, specifically through a Yahoo account, which is almost redundant. Nobody uses it, right? Simple questions. Poonam has created a Republic Day report. How does she send? So it's .doc, right? She can, attach the file in an email. There's a clip, there's a small clip-like button. You have to clip it, attach it, put a subject, send it to the sender's name. The sender's name should be there. All the steps we learned in part 1 of it. How is replying different from forwarding? Replying is where you send your thoughts into it. So you put a reply button, you add to it, you add more text to it. Forwarding is the same mail. There's a forward button. You just forward it. In fact, in forward, even the subject gets FWD, comes on the subject mail, and you have to write the person's name. And as it is, the email gets forwarded. Advantages, e-etiquettes, define an app, right? So all of this is all the best. Good luck, and let's go ahead.